Today we shall be measuring the density of several objects. So how is density measured? Density is measured by taking the total mass divided by the total volume of the object. For object 1, we will be using a brand new rectangular eraser which is regular in shape. To measure the volume of the eraser, we will be using the ruler, vernier caliper and micrometer screw gauge. It is important to prevent calculation error, hence we should check for any zero error in all the instrument used. By using a ruler to find the length, we can see that the length of the eraser is 4.5 centimeters. Next, by using the vernier caliper, we can see that the breadth is 1.90 centimeters. Following this, we will be using a micrometer screw gauge to find the thickness of the eraser. It is important to not turn the ratchet too much as it may compress the eraser, making the reading inaccurate. As we can see, the thickness of the eraser is 1.05 cm. To find the volume of the eraser, we will use the length times width times the thickness. As we can see, the mass of the eraser is 11.1 grams. Hence, with the mass and volume now found, we can now find the density too. Next, we will be measuring the density of a staple strip. To find the volume of the staple strip, we will be using the displacement method. Add 20 cm3 of water and set it as volume 1 in the measuring cylinder. Next, add in 6 staple strips into the measuring cylinder and record volume 2. By subtracting volume 2 by volume 1, we can find the volume of 6 staple strips. It is important to make sure that no staple strip is above the water level such that the reading will be accurate. The volume rose from 20 cm3 to 21 cm3, hence the volume of 6 staple strips is 1 cm3. Using the electronic balance, we can find the mass of the staple strips. You can see the total mass of 6 staple strips is 5.6 grams. With the volume and mass, we can now find the density of one staple strip. We use multiple staple strips as each staple strip may have a different volume, hence it is important to find the average volume of the staple strips. Next, we will be finding the density of a brand new roll of scotch tape. To find the volume of the scotch tape, we will be using the Eureka can. This is also known as the displacement method. Fill the water up to the side of the Eureka can before gently placing the scotch tape into it. It's important to make sure that the water level is just before the side of the Eureka can before adding the scotch tape into the can. Collect the displaced water into a measuring cylinder and record the volume in it. That will be the volume of the scotch tape. As you can see, the volume of the scotch tape is 14 cm3. Next, by using the electronic balance, we can find the mass of the scotch tape, which is 20.2 grams. Hence, with the volume and mass of the scotch tape, we can find the density of the scotch tape. In conclusion, the density of eraser is 1.24 grams per cm cube, staple strip 0.93 gram per cm cube, and scotch tape 1.44 gram per cm cube.